अभी मैं दिखा रहा हूँ कि वो क्या एक वीडियो भी है इसमें।
Hello, sir. Your voice is
Yes,
not
yes.
audible, sir.
Yeah. I was muted actually. Now it's okay. It's fine.
Sir,
Can I
your
share
voice
on this?
is not audible.
Hello, can you hear me? Hello, I'm audible. Hello, I'm audible or not? Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, audible, sir.
Oh, yeah, please. So I'm.
Mrityunjay, kindly check your connection.
Yeah, Mrityunjay, I think. Please check your. Can I share another slide, Tiwari? Please make me host so that I can share my next slide. I'm not able to share my. Hello.
Yes, sir. Now it's audible, sir. You please proceed.
Yeah. Make me host so that I can share my slide. I'm not able to share my screen. Okay, thank you. I hope this is visible, I think. Okay. So,
Sir, you
ma'am,
can
it's fine.
proceed, sir. You can proceed, sir. We can see the picture and also audio clear.
That's great. That's great. So I hope in first part in phase one, I was explaining, I was motivating the dear student according to the current scenario. You have to think, you have to rethink. Okay, about this situation. So now I want to show you what we are doing at our campus. This will give a glimpse or an idea, so that you can implement at your places, okay, at your place. Okay. So here I was explaining about this initiative. So I was there, I think NSTEDB. So that is the initiative of, just give me just a minute. Sorry for interruption. So I was explaining this. So these are the initiative we have taken under the umbrella of entrepreneurship cell, which is very important. I hope CMR has its own entrepreneurship cell, and the main motive of this entrepreneurship cell is to create an environment for the learners, for the student, for the innovator, for the faculty member as well, an environment or ecosystem which support the innovators, startup enablers, and other people. So these are the initiative we have taken. These are some dominant innovation, what we call initiative. Although we have taken around 27, 28 different initiative, Kapila, Yukti. These are the part of although IIC, but we have taken all the 9 initiative of IIC. So we are implementing at our campus. See the hello, it's not working. Yes. So we started this journey at 2015. See this. So this gives us the glimpses, success, innovation. This is a picture will gives us startup ideas, innovator. Okay. So ECL has the basic duty. They are doing different kind of activity for brainstorming, town halls, for innovators and other things across the campus. So I have one slide. If you can look at this, this is very interesting. What ECL people are doing. I hope this was audible at your place, madam. Okay, moving ahead. So this is a tagline of our ECL idea action results. So this was E.1. We organizing, this is a flagship event of ECL E-Weeks, ECL 3 lay of land workshop, idea generation workshop, how to generate idea. This is very important. And by only saying I am going to start a startup, it's not work. So idea generation workshop must be needed. And in this is inaugural of our centers. Then in conclave, these are some few events, very dominant event, which will gives you flavor to understand the innovation, entrepreneurship. Investor meets we are organizing different time. There is innovation in music. This particular Mandeep Bawa, he is playing guitar. That is metal guitarist. He is the first man of first who played metal guitar. Then oath ceremony of every time we are doing this. We are also doing some social work, tree plantation. We are sending our student to Delhi visit, Delhi or other places visit. These are the things we are doing at our place. Promote entrepreneurship, nurture and promote startups, national event competitions. We invite great personalities to understand to understand their experiences. We'll provide platform for different initiative for our students, mentorship, funding for different startups. Some of the keynote speaker which we invited: Dilip Chavade, founder DC Jain, Ashish Vidyarthi, Bollywood actor, Deepak Gadia, Sunny Kabrawala. So these are the Prajakta Colin. Recently, he worked in some event. I think Anil Kapoor film. I'm not remembering that film actually. So these are the people we invited, so that our student understand what they are doing and why they are different. So if they listen this kind of people, they can apply those things in their lives. Okay. So these are some data we are showing. So these are some event we are also organizing since last 7 years. TEDx event, that is technology entrepreneurship, and we have a LinkedIn local chapter, which is very necessary nowadays to connect the technocrats and startups and other placement people. These are some glimpses of different event, e-conclave events. Every year we are organizing this. We have LinkedIn local chapter. So talking about the achievement, we have this prototyping center. It's a very innovative center. You may visualize this. So it's just like Industry 4.0. If we can, if there is one video that time is not permitting, otherwise I'll show all the things. So this is one initiative. This is another campus startup initiative we have. Okay. So there are the glimpses of like images. So at New Gen IDC, we are doing this actually. So we have our website, what we call website, separate website of New Gen IDC, where you can see the different initiative our student which has been taken by our students. This is the step through which we are implementing the student idea. We are calling the idea and projects across the campus. Then we are getting this. Then we'll have a selection committee. After selecting from there, we have a fund release of the requirement, then MVP prototyping, then patent filing, and finally technology transfer or maybe startup creation. So this is the process. Now I want to show you, these are some patent granted in our ecosystem for the students. So these are the patent granted. I am very happy to share around 124 prototype we have designed in 5 years, and 41 patents we have filed, and out of 41, 11 patents has been granted. Means the student becomes owner of that particular idea prototype for 20 years. Okay. I want to show you some what we call the prototypes. This is very important. Just a minute. See, this is the first slide. This is for prototype. I want to show it. It's very important. Aswan, the prototype name is Aswan, and it's basically a water purifier. So normally what happens, see, the problem is that water problem, drinking water problem. Even in our country, one data, what I gone through it, I found that there are 25 cities in our country who are going in drought situation. The earth level, the water level in behind under the earth is going down and down rapidly. So why it's happening? Because we are utilizing the water, but we are not providing the water. Like harvesting system are very less in our system, in our societies. Okay, so that creates problem. And this problem, water purifier, why it's needed? This was developed by mechanical student actually, and they have also started a startup along with one US company actually. Okay, so this is also the patent is also granted for this Aswan. So what was the problem? What was the problem they faced? Actually, everywhere you find out there is RO system for water purification. The process is reverse osmosis, and the basic the problem with RO system is what 80 to 90% water goes in drain during the purification of water. You must be agree with that. So what do you think? This water is always going to be drain in drain. We never ever utilizing recycle those waters. So can we save? Can we develop a technology through which we can save 80 to 90% water we can purify, and remaining 8 to 10 to 15% maybe there for the for 2 minutes, for sorry for interruption. So this is so they started work. They developed this prototype. They created MVP1, MVP2, and finally this is the product. Just like RO, but here in this Aswan, 80% water they are saving, and this has been tested, and this is successfully running. And now they are going to launch in coming 4, 5, whatever month they need. So there is one US based company who is associated with these guys. Similarly, see, this is another. So sunflower solar system. Sunflower is just like sunflower. That is a particular flower. So when light comes, it is open like this. So this solar system is just make like this. So the biggest problem is with the solar system is everywhere you are finding this kind of like solar system. But problem is maintenance. So they develop the brushes system. Brush system. They'll see this. If this cursor is looking, see there is a gap between. There is this slide. This panel is up. This panel is down. This panel is more down than that. So when this is opening like this, sunflower, the automatically the dust and everything, dust particles and everything, which creates problem for this solar system panels, it's going to be opened, going to be cleaned. So automatically there is a cleaning process they developed. So that is the USP of this sunflower solar system. This is the agro robo where the agriculture people, they can utilize this robo to spray the fertilizer, to spray the seeds in the ground, to check the humidity, moisture in the what we call mud. So this complete robo will give different facility for our farmers. So there will be 5 steps, as you can see, the input from user. Automatically it will customize the area, so it can be possible. We can take the weeds what we call safe from unwanted insects. The plant, whatever water needed for that plant, that much water only go in the particular area, the agriculture land. They can check the health of soil. So everything is connected in this particular compacted IoT device, which they are calling Agro Robo. Patent has been filed for this, and predominantly they are using CNC technique, which maybe this is mostly utilized by the mechanical and electrical people, most of the cases. This is another. This is my idea actually. So Mathura is known for holy, like the what we call holy place, Lord Krishna's birthplace. So many pilgrims coming here, and there is a big crowd during the festival season also. So whosoever is coming, they are facing big problem. Crowd is going to be create big problem. So I told 2 years back, third year students were there. See, this is the problem. How we can solve this problem? Can we do something? So we have developed one hardware and software integrated platform where the people who are registering themselves through that portal, they will have the different facilities to visit different temples and different important people at Braj level. So this may happening at different places during the melas, during the festival season. Every places we can utilize those technology, and those students who develop the crowd management system for temples especially, or for crowded people maybe. Initially they will develop for this, but this could be implemented at airport, or could be railway platforms, some public meetings, transportation systems. So this is one sample they have developed, what we call prototype they have developed to solve the different problems. This is a life science product developed by what we call agri people, so not agri, biotech people. So this is Grema is nothing but it's a herbal bandage. Suppose suddenly your hand is cutted with something and blood is coming. So what people are doing actually, that is small cut blood is coming and something else. So people are putting one sticker on that, medical sticker. But they have developed in place of that sticker, that also creates problem once it is okay. So when we are putting up, there is a problem with the hand of the people. So this particular herbal bandage is very simple. It's just like tablet and just put over there. There is no need to, and also this is very much organic. So there is no such chemical which will create problem. So this is herbal bandage product. So we are calling it as Grema. This is automatic toilet seat. See, this is the problem with the public places, public toilets, railway toilets, train running train toilets. So many problems. Automatic, there is no automatic system available to maintain hygiene on the seat. So this technology actually, there is a circuit electronics component implemented over there. So if to maintain the hygiene, automatic hygiene. So if someone is coming at near place, that someone to use that toilet. So after leaving that particular place, this particular device will automatically clean the toilet. Okay. After sensing the human intervention, human incoming and outgoing. So this is one prototype which helps to maintain automatic what we call cleaning of the toilets at common places. This is solar dryer, again implemented, developed for our farmers. So due to climate change, due to rain in the field and all that, sometimes the product, the grains may what we call damaged. So to protect those wheats and paddies and rice, we have system required. Suppose that goes through some water, so we have to make it dry. For FCIs, there is a big problem. So they may use the solar dryer to maintain the quality of those grains which may affect it due to climate change, due to raining, or due to some other situation. And this is distiller, that cleaning process, that these two prototypes combined together utilize useful for our farmers. This is very important product. This is again, this idea has been given by me for our AIML students. So this is the problem. One data has been given by our transport minister, Sri Nitin Gadkari ji. In one statement, he told every year there is more than 3 lakh accident were there at our country, road accident. So how we can protect, how we can stop this big number of accidents? Is there any technology which can be useful? So, and normally what happens, he also told us that 1,50,000 accident happens during night time. And night time means that is 2 to 4 p.m. or 6 p.m. like that, in between. Those who are driving, they may feel sleepy. So how to alert those people who are driving during that important time? So here we have utilized image processing and computer vision technology. So that based on that feature, eyelid feature. So if eyelids remain constant like this, the second one, if it is open, that's fine. But for 60 seconds, 30 seconds, if your eye is closed, then alarm system, that image processing will take your image, send signal to the alert system, and there will be vibration behind your team, and there will be siren also, so that your eyes will open, you can stop the vehicle to prevent the accidents during the night. So this is eye blink detector. The blinking situation of eye will give some support to the drivers who are driving at that time. So we can protect, we can prevent some accident with the help of this. And nowadays companies, in advanced technology companies, they are giving this facility in different trucks, as well as the private vehicles. This is very simple one, automatic bicycle supporter. This is just like aeroplane. You just saw that when the aeroplane taking running on the so if the speed of this cycle, this small wheel is on the both side of this cycle. So suppose any learner is there and who wants to take without support to learn that particular how to run the bicycle. So this automatic bicycle supporter will support him or her to learn this bicycle riding. So what happens if the speed is of this the cycle is around 15 to 20 kilometers? This supporter will automatically after some time will goes up. Okay, then that particular person is not aware of that. May after twice, thrice, or some number of practices, he or she may understand learning of this bicycle riding. And once he stop this, automatically this support will come down, and there will be no accident, small accidents like. So we can prevent like by using this automatic bicycle supporter. So we have around 122 prototypes. So I hope I am able to show it quickly. This is portable power generator. This power we are generating from the silencers of different two-wheelers. So silencer, there is, when we are running that bike and scooties, silencers getting what we call heated. So from those heat, there are some what we call layer created on the silencers. So from those layer, we are able to create some power. We are able to generate. We are able to what we call recharge the battery, which is defined, which is designed in this particular portable device, which can be kept in each and every bike, and this will be charged without power. So we can save the power as well, and this can be utilized at different remote places when there is no power. In that case, we can use these devices to run different appliances or devices. Moving ahead, this is sewage system. This is not successful. So this is meant to solve the problem of sewage system, which is very much in pitiable situation across the India. Sewage system of our Nagar Nigams and Mahanagar Nigams. This is not successful, so I am not explaining this. Fresh air, to fresh the polluted air, we have to maintain the PM level, that is 2.5. So this will give, and the USP of this presso air is we have used, means our team has used the biotechnology product inside this. So that gives different picture, that maintains the quality of air. This is smart dustbins, very interesting one, again developed by CSE students. So they have developed one, they utilize one algorithm to inform the persons, the vehicle who are collecting the dust, the materials, used material from the different dustbins. So if the dustbin is not full, why that vehicle goes in that particular what we call location. So every time they are updating with the help of that IoT device, which particular area has the problem, so that they can, the vehicle goes first in that direction. They will pick the used item from that dustbin only. Okay. So that is the one USP. Otherwise, it has been applied in several cities, dustbin picking system. Then this is vacuum flushing system. This is again very important. So what was the problem actually? When people are using toilets at our home, like for two, 3, 4 times, and at one flush, if you're pushing that operating at one flush, normally 4 to 5 liter water goes in drain. That not needed actually. If 4 people are there and they are using toilet system 5 times, and each time 5 liter water goes in drain, so if you multiply, around 120 liters water goes in drain. So can we develop some kind of system, and which is there, might have you seen in the aeroplanes toilet system. So but that is too much costly. So these people designed a flushing system, vacuum flushing system, through which they are saving the water and also maintaining the cleanness of the pot. This is one robo we are trying to develop, but still it's not completely developed. Automatic toilet cleaner. The robo will move inside the pot and it will open it will clean the toilets and other places. This is a ceiling fan regulator. So there is no need to move in the room to maintain the manual regulation system of any fan. If you need a small like changes, that will be changed according to the room temperature of that place. So in this way, I hope you people have some idea what kind of uh, what we call prototype we can develop. So I hope I have created some justice related to our today's topic, that is innovative practices for prototyping. So I am going to stop here, and I will be very happy if someone asks questions related to this. So I hope this will be useful for you, and maybe you might motivated to go through what we call to see the problem in different way, and also you are going to motivated to work in the area of innovation and entrepreneurship, so that you can become a startup enabler, you can solve the society problem, you can solve your own problem. With this, I'll stop here. Thank you very much, and I hope I made justice for this today's topic. Thank you. Thank you very much. If anyone have any query, anyone?
Sir, am I audible?
Yeah, please.
Yes.
I hope I've made justice, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Sir, no questions from the students, but the session was very interesting with your, especially with your slides, what you make. It's not at all boring. It's very funny and a comic way, right? So the students are very much interested about the slides, and we are very thank and happy for the session, sir. I think the students have gained more knowledge, and now onwards we have to see how many will be moving
How
forward.
many students were there, ma'am?
Total around 60 it will be, sir.
So have you seen this, or they are working on the lighting systems actually? Yeah.
Okay, okay. Total 60 students was there, sir.
Okay, okay. So maybe someone's if 1-2% or 5% motivated, this will work actually.
Yes, sir, sure, sure. And very happy and very interesting session, sir. And thank you so much, sir, for your valuable presentation to the students. Now, I hope the students will be coming forward to give their ideas in more number now. So thank you, sir. Thanks a lot for the
Yes.
session, and hope
Thank you.
we'll be meeting in the future. Thanks. Thank you,
Yeah.
sir.
Thank you so much. Thank you for the opportunity. Bye. Bye. Take care.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
I'm leaving with your permission. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Please, please, sir. Please.
Thank you.